So, today we are going to learn word problems. The average diameter of planet A is 6.378 into 10 raised to 3 kilometer, while the average diameter of planet B is 1.4890 into 10 raised to 4 kilometer. Find approximate ratio of diameters. Now they have told us to compare the diameters of planet A and B. So I have written diameter of planet B, ratio sign, diameter of planet A. I have taken planet B first and just filled in the information because I feel this is a bigger number. So now let us first remove the decimals. It is easy to work without decimals. So after decimal there is 4 numbers. So it will be 10,000 to remove the decimals, and then here after decimal there are 3 numbers. So I will be writing 6378 by 1000 into 10 raised to 3. So now this 10,000 can also be written as 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 4, and 1000 can also be written as 10 cube into 10 raised to 3. Now one numerator, one denominator gets cancelled here. One numerator, one denominator gets cancelled here. So we are left with 14890 is to 6378. Now if you divide 6378 with 14890, you will get approximately 2.33. So you can write that diameter of planet B is 2.3 times that of planet A. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.